Daddy?
Not now, Kamisha.
Kamisha, you okay? Yes, Mommy. But is Daddy okay?
I'm going to find out.
Kamisha, where the chair do out there, so? Why you push all the chair in the way? Eh? Listen, just push the chair up here, so, and sit down on it and stop block up the place.
Continue do what you're doing.
So why you all and pull me suffer? What the problem?
That more no, Trevor. What's the problem?
Me no problem.
So why you talk to her so far? You think I want to demand them for your construction site are doing a call do tours?
So how me I talk to her?
Apparently, you're not here yourself.
Don't you say if you come over here come clean up the place? Eh? And she sit down and play a word game and I block up the place.
It seemed to me, whatever problem you have, you project it pan Kamisha.
What you mean, project it pan her? What you talk about?
You know, saying talk about this nice issue from your ear and my feel say, because you are suppressed, everything just explode right now.
Mean me a suppress? Me not suppress nothing, you know. I tell you this, what happened already.